Superbly renovated from top to bottom, this freehold townhouse at Massey Estates treats you to a central location, parking and a storage locker, and 1,200 square feet of living space. Freshly painted, the open-concept main-level living and dining area is blanketed in new hardwood and features California shutters on its sizable windows. A neutral decor creates a casually elegant ambiance conducive to everyday living and entertaining. Wrapped in custom cabinetry, the new kitchen boasts white quartz counters and a gas range. A powder room and laundry ensuite is conveniently steps away. 2 bedrooms are located on the second level, including this master which features a walk-in closet and new broadloom carpeting. Movie nights are best spent in this gathering space that's complemented by a wet bar and walks out to a private terrace. Equipped with a gas outlet, you can relax out here with a refreshing beverage while cooking up a barbecue feast. Massey Estates is a private, gated community treating its residents to a quaint central courtyard. Don't miss this opportunity to live stylishly and within walking distance to shops and restaurants. Call for more information.